Science, living science. Take out this book. Children, revision time. Good habits. Okay. Good habits, page 61. Good habits helps us to stay healthy and to become strong. So, clean and healthy. Keep yourself clean. Keep your house clean. So first, clean and healthy. We must keep ourselves clean when we play or work. Our body gets dirty. Dust and sweat make our body dirty. We must bath every day. It is the best. See the picture. Have a bath every day. Use a clean towel. Okay. After bath, use a clean towel. Okay. So children, wash your hands, trim your nails, brush your teeth, comb your hair. It's very important. Okay, children. Way to keep our body clean. Use soap and water to wash away dirty. Use a clean towel to wipe yourself. Wear clean clothes. Wash your hands before and after eating. The dirt on our hands enters our body with the food. Trim your nails with a nail cutter. When we see the picture, nail cutter. So when we eat, small bites of food are left in the mouth. So children, they can spoil our teeth. That's why. Okay. So we must keep our teeth clean by brushing them dirty. We must rinse our mouth with water after we eat something. Okay. So our eyes, ears, nose and hair must always be clean. Children, eyes, ears, nose, our hair also must always be clean. Keep yourself clean. Eat from your own plate. It's very important. Drink from your own glass. So children, eat from your own plate. Drink from your own glass. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and your nose with a hanky. It's very important. Okay. So do not bite your nails. Do not lick your fingers after eating. Brush your teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Do not lick your fingers after eating. It's very dirty. So bad habit. So don't do. So children, brush your teeth in the morning and after going to bed. Next, see the picture. We must keep our house clean. Keep your house clean. See the picture. Okay. We all love to play. After playing, put away your toys. Keep your books in their right place. Throw used bites of paper and other waste into dustbin. Okay. Do not write or draw on walls. See the picture. Okay. Don't do. Okay. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave a room. Turn off taps and showers. Flush the toilet after use. So important. We must follow good habits. We must keep ourselves clean. We must have a bath and brush our teeth every day. Okay, so we must brush our hands before and after eating. We must keep our house clean. It's very important. Let's ask answer. Take write the correct answer. Question 1. Before and after eating we must, yes, answer A. Okay. We should do this twice a day. Yes, answer B. Tick. See the picture and question 3. We should do this every day. So see the picture, but so A, answer A is right. Next, fill in the blanks with do or do not. First one, use your hanky when you sneeze. So do, right here do. Okay. Question 2, bite your nails. Do not. Question 2, do not bite your nails. Question 3, do not write on the walls. This is very bad habit. Bites. Bites also bad habit. So question 3 next. Question 3, do not write on the walls. Question 4, do turn off the tap after washing your hands. Question 5, do throw bits of paper into dustbin. Okay. Question C, choose the right, correct and from the box. See, 3 question is here. We must trim our nails with a nail cutter. Clean teeth make us look nice. We must keep our hair combed. Okay. Next question. See, question 1. What must we do after we finish playing? So your answer is after we finish playing, we must put away our toy. Next, why must we use soap and water for bathing? So write and practice. We must use soap and water for bathing because it is the best way to keep our body clean. Okay. Question 3. Why must we trim our nails? We must trim our nails because the dirt in our nails enter our body with the food. Okay, that's why. So children, next question, question 4. Why must we brush our teeth? So we must brush our teeth because when we eat, small bites of food are left into the mouth. Okay, so practice this chapter. Chapter is very important. This chapter 9, safety, not this one, good habits. Okay, chapter 9, page 61 to 65. Right.